Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system consists of one pair of testes. These are the primary sex organs, and these testes were enclosed in loose skin-like outer sac, scrotum, and one pair of vas deferens, one pair of seminal vesicle, one prostate gland, one pair of corpus gland, and penis. This is copulatory device. One pair of testes. These are the primary sex organs in male body. Functions to produce the male reproductive germ cells are called spermatozoa and secretes hormone testosterone and accessory material delivered by accessory glands. Second function is to deposit the germ cells, that is sperm cells, in the female reproductive system. Testes lie outside the body in a loose skin outer pouch called scrotum. Scrotum is a loose skin pouch which holds the testis inside and hangs down from abdomen behind the penis between the thighs. It acts as a thermoregulator by changing the position of testis and keeping temperature 1 to 3 degrees centigrade below that of the body. A lower temperature is essential for development of sperms than the body temperature. When we observe the TS of testis, each testis consists of more number of seminiferous tubules found in connective tissue of testis and participating in production of spermatozoa and another Leydig cells present in connective tissue secrete a hormone called testosterone. Testosterone regulates formation of sperms and puberty changes in boys, maintenance of secondary sexual characters. Seminal vesicles, these are one pair in number, prostate gland and corpus gland one pair. These three types of glands together called as accessory glands secretes a fluid which has alkaline in nature. It is also called semen, helps nourishment to the spermatozoa and also further movement of spermatozoa. Vas difference is 30 to 35 centimeters long. Vas differentia of the two sides enter the body, receives duct from seminal vesicles to form ejaculatory duct at top and join the urethra to form urinogenital duct. Urinogenital duct receives secretions of prostate and corpus gland and then enter into penis to open at its tip. Urethra is extension of vas deferens. It is supported by muscular organ called penis. This is copulatory device. Penis becomes hard and erect to deposit the sperms in female reproductive system. Spermatozoa, they are tiny dot like male gametes, each of which has three parts: head, middle piece, and tail. Head contain nucleus has genetic material inside. Over the head, there is a cap-like projection named as acrosome, helps to penetrate easily into ovum at the time of copulation, fusion. Middle piece contains mitochondria, helps to provide energy for spermatozoa. Tail of spermatozoa helps in movement. It helps sperms move towards the female gamete egg.